In this example, I'm presented with an inequality that has variables on both sides. In this case, if I plan ahead and I'm smart about my steps, I'm going to totally eliminate this idea of dividing by a negative from my problem, and I don't have to worry about flipping signs. So let's see how I do that. I look at both sides, just like an equation, to see if they're already simplified, and in this case they are, so I don't have to do that. So my first step is really just to get the variables to the same side. And I have two choices. I could add 6x to both sides, or subtract 3x from both sides. If I add 6x, I'm going to get a positive 9x. If I had chosen to subtract 3x, it would have given me a negative 9x on the left. I want positive coefficients on my variables. So I eliminate the x's from the left-hand side. I'm left with a 4 greater than or equal to 9x plus 67. So I planned ahead. I made sure that the coefficient on x, the number with x, was positive. So now I don't have to worry about flipping the sign as I do the rest of my problem. So I just solve this like a two-step equation. I subtract 67 from both sides. That gives me a negative 63 on the left is greater than or equal to 9x. I know that I made the 9 positive, so I end up with negative 7 is greater than or equal to x. That's my inequality statement. That's half of my answer. Now I need to use a number line to show where the rest of my solutions are in a very visual way. So I draw a number line, 0 for reference, and I put on 7 and negative 7. Since it's greater than or equal to, I'm going to have a closed dot at negative 7. And I need to choose a number to see if it works. So I'm going to choose something to the left, because that's my hunch. I think maybe that my solutions will be down there. And I think, is negative 7 greater than or equal to negative 8? And I come back with the answer yes. So my shaded region is down this way. Just to convince myself that I didn't make a mistake, let's put 0 in. Is negative 7 greater than or equal to 0? And the answer there is no. So 0 should not be in the shaded region, and he's not. So the answer to my inequality is all of the numbers that are negative 7 or below. So again, the important thing here is I made the smart choice to keep my coefficient positive, so I didn't have to flip the sign as I went through my problem.